Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a business name. So you might want to change a business name after operating, maybe because you discovered something, maybe from your customers or from running your business. So to do that, go to eCitizen.go.ke and click on sign in. Enter your eCitizen login details and click on sign in. Choose where you want to receive an OTP, one-time password, that is if your account is activated for one, and enter the OTP that you have received to your relevant authentication method. Confirm the account details to make sure you're using the correct account. Scroll down and click on BRS, Business Registration Services. So this is very important. In order for you to make these changes, you have to log into BRS using your personal account for you to be able to access the functionality to manage the details of your business. So you need to log in with your personal account and not your business account. Again, confirm the login details and click on continue. On reaching the old BRS portal, click on make application. Click on apply now in BRS V2, BRS version 2. So BRS is going to show you a message stating how they are transforming from the old portal to the new portal interfaces. You can read the notice. Click on apply now to continue. Log in with eCitizen. Again, continue with your personal account for you to be able to access the functionalities to manage your business. This is how the dashboard landing page of the new BRS portal looks like. So under company registry services, click on proceed. So it's going to open the home page of your individual account in BRS. This is how it looks like. So next to your individual account on the left sidebar, click on the drop down arrow. Next to the business that you want to change the name, click on it. Now the menu to manage your company will appear. This is how it looks like. Click on maintain company, and then next to change of name, click on apply. So it's going to auto-populate the details of that business, the name, how is it registered, is it a business name, is it a company, registered number, registered name, and nature. Nature means industry. What industry is it in? Education, fashion, whatever. So confirm those details are correct and then click on next. So the next type is the applicant details. Again, the name is going to populate from your eCitizen. So confirm that it's correct and then choose your capacity, your address, your postal code. Those ones you have to enter and then click on next. Now, you cannot change the industry. You're just changing the name, okay? So enter your new proposed names. Which new names do you want? You can also describe among those names you have provided, which name do you prefer and why are you changing from the previous one. Once you're done, click on next. So confirm that this information that you have provided is true to your knowledge. Declare it and then click on preview. Confirm that the details are correct, and once you're done, click on complete. So the next step is to pay. Once you complete, if it's a business name you're changing, you're going to pay 950 Kenyan shillings. It's the same price as registering a new name. So once you do that, BRS is going to review. It's going to take approximately a few months. I don't know if that has changed, but it takes a few months for a business name to be changed. So it's not something very quick. You have to wait for that. So once they approve it, you're going to receive a change of name certificate, not a business name certificate, change of name certificate. And this is the certificate you're going to use for all your legal processes. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My name has been Catherine. Until next time, bye-bye.